Well, hello. Here is Jan at the Cleantecs factory. We are here in Germany.
Yeah, so after 1 year we are visiting the Bavaria, and there is a brand new building of the Cleantecs. So it's a morning, last day of November 2022, and I'm impressed what I've seen inside. I'm impressed. So unfortunately we cannot take any pictures or videos inside, but it's a German company, and they manufacture our brushes over there, so it's very nice to see and meet the manufacturer of the brushes in person. But we are impressed so far. So anyway, they keep working on the improvements for us, for the final users, so we see some progress. So we have full day to discuss all kind of topics, and solve situations from the past, and do the new plans for the years to come. Okay, again, Cleantecs, brand new company.